BBAI stock appears to be consolidating within a longer term bearish trend. It seems it's trying to smoothen out the volatility that occurred in the early part of this year. At some point, I think early this year, around I think on the 6th of January or thereabout, it ran up 319% gain in just one session. Because it landed a contract or something like that. But after that, we saw a retracement, but it didn't take it below. It didn't take that retracement. Didn't take it to a 52-week low. That was quite good, and after that, it seemed to have reached a bottom and continued to rally again above all of its moving averages. That's all the moving averages we have here. But since that time, it has now continued to consolidate. So it seems what's going on is that market participants have the people who participated. They were just there strictly for the opportunity. They were trading the trend, which is AI, and yes, also trying to cash in on that news. But what seems to be happening now is that those guys have long gone away. And as things stand right now, those who are they're not coming back. Others not. The stock is not attracting more involvement. It's not seeing more involvement. I think maybe that's largely down to the fact that it's not making profit yet. It's not profitable yet, and it doesn't have that top line growth. Just in the second quarter of this year, it only had a 9.8% growth. That's not fantastic at all. If it's not making profit, then it should be making demonstration. It should have the growth numbers. It doesn't have it. So it seems market participants are currently trading the fundamentals of the stock as things stand right now, and we also have it seems that's what they're doing right now. But at the same time as well, it's not completely bad. It's not completely bad because it's just moving sideways and it's holding on. It's not bottoming out at all. It hasn't. It's pretty much trading along its 200-day moving average. Hasn't really deviated or diverged away from it that much. That's quite impressive to some extent. So what it's indicating is that the aggression is absolutely not there, because those because these guys are trading its fundamentals. They're not coming back yet. Maybe when there's a good news they will come back, but now they're not totally not involving themselves with the stock. So the few that are getting involved are also gradually picking up gains, small gains per day, 1.2%. So if it doesn't, if it declines, they buy. If that sort of just scalping it and stuff like that. You can see what's going on here. Retracements all the way down towards 200-day moving average. They buy it again, and then it retraces again. So just a few scalpers there, going on with the stock, So, but in any case, let's see what the projections are. It's currently up 0.98%. At some point it spiked in this regular session of today the 19th, but on this 1 minute chart we have it's trading below all of its projections. We have an upper projection of 2.13 on the 1 minute chart. So let's look at the 1 day chart and see what we have there. We have projections. We have a downward projection of 0.5743. So the algos think also, yes, they are pretty much in they're probably involved in what's going on. This lack of strong fundamentals as well. Maybe that's why we have this 0.5743 downward projection. There's just a downward projection right below where it is 1.94 dollars, but there are a significant plethora of upper projections: 2.48, 2.81, 3.05, 3.33, 3.70, 4.18, and all the way towards 5.55. So yes, even though the algos are quite skeptical to some extent, but I think they are by and large by far much more ambitious. The algo on this chart is calculating that something could happen. Maybe because of this we've had this quiet period for some time now. This consolidation has been going on for, I would say, since April. Since it started to retrace, especially since early June. So yeah, we had some spikes as well. Some upward moves. Some area we had what looks like a decent amount of rally that didn't occur in just one trading session around mid-June. So maybe we're going to have another one in this month, maybe, but we're already in the second half of this month. Nothing yet has happened, maybe. Well, we see what's going to happen. Upper projection of 2.45 from where it is right now, and then there's also 2.78 all the way towards $5.55. So see what you make of BBAI stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.